Hello! Today we are going to be trying making great again those vintage Marshall Major 3 headphones that've got totally worn out ear pads. As you can see, it is looking absolutely horrible, but they are really great headphones. Still, they are vintage, they are being recharged through the micro USB port, but the battery hold good and I like them. And for them, I managed to purchase that part from the Aliexpress. And we've got two replacement ear pads that are looking like this. And it is quite interesting because here is our pad, but it is also including that plastic bracket that you are using for attaching it. So it is quite interesting build. Let's try to compare the old one to the replacement. And if we take a look here, the size is pretty similar, but the old one are a little bit puffier, I would say. Here you can clearly see, but maybe after some wearing, they will become like those. Let's check whether they fit. And to remove it, we have to grab that part by the plastic bracket that is inside, and we have to rotate it. So I'm rotating it just like that, like unscrewing. So I'm doing that motion. You go like this, and you unlock it, and pull like that. And here is the place where we are mounting it. You've got those attachments. So we go like this, and we go like that. And we've got absolutely perfect fit. They are nicely fitting. Let's check the second one. As you can see, it's looking pretty horrible. Same as before. I'm going like this, and I'm unclipping it. We are grabbing our brand new. We go like this, and we put it back. And you have to tell me how they are presenting right now. I will give them a small test. Let me put them on. For this short wear, they are fitting perfectly fine, and I've got absolutely no problem using them. So in my personal opinion, with this cheap AliExpress part, we managed to make our Marshalls great again. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye-bye.